Have you ever seen those funny circle characters with country flags? Maybe you've spotted them in memes, comics, or even in online forums, making jokes about world events or poking fun at stereotypes. Those are country balls, also called Poland ball. They're a unique internet phenomenon that's taken the world by storm, bringing people together through humor and creativity. They're a fun way to tell stories about countries, history, or just silly jokes. Each country ball represents a nation, and together, they create hilarious and sometimes surprisingly insightful adventures. The best part? You can make them yourself. No fancy software needed. You don't need to be a professional artist or have expensive tools to get started. All you need is a computer, internet, and Google Slides. That's right, just a few clicks and you're ready to begin your own creative journey. It's like making a comic strip but with bouncing, talking countries. Imagine your favorite countries having conversations, getting into mischief, or even teaming up for wild adventures. This guide will show you every step to bring your own country balls to life, even if you've never done this before. We'll break it down so anyone can follow along, no matter your experience level. Country balls are simple, just circles with flags and white eyes, sometimes with hats or props. Their simplicity is what makes them so charming and easy to create. You don't need to be an artist. Simplicity is the charm. Anyone can draw a circle and add a flag, and that's all it takes to get started. The stories are about how countries see each other. Funny, weird, sometimes educational. They can be about anything: world history, cultural quirks, or just pure silliness. People everywhere make these comics and share them online. There are entire communities dedicated to country balls where you can find inspiration and share your creations. By the end, you'll be able to join in and create your own country ball stories. You'll have the skills to express your ideas and maybe even make someone laugh. Why Google Slides? It's free, easy, and perfect for beginners. You don't need to download anything special, and you can access your work from anywhere. You can add pictures, shapes, and text, and even make simple animations by copying slides. It's a surprisingly powerful tool for making comics, and you'll be amazed at what you can create. We'll use only basic tools already in Google Slides. No complicated steps. Just drag, drop, and have fun experimenting with your ideas. The most important rule: have fun and be creative. There are no limits to what your country balls can do or say. Think of a simple story, maybe two countries talking about food, or one trying to go to space. You could even imagine a world where countries become superheroes or go on a wild road trip. This guide gives you the skills, you bring the ideas. Your imagination is the only limit, and every story is unique. Let's start our journey and make our very first country ball. Grab your computer, open Google Slides, and get ready to create something awesome. It's going to be an exciting adventure. You'll learn new skills, have fun, and maybe even make some new friends along the way. Ready? Let's go. I can't wait to see what you'll create. I'm here to help you every step of the way, so let's dive in and start making country balls together. Every country ball needs a flag. Let's find them. Flags are the heart and soul of every country ball story, giving each character its own unique identity. To make your project stand out, you'll want to collect the best flag images you can find. Start by opening your browser and heading over to Google. It's the easiest way to find high-quality images for free. In the search bar, type the country name plus flag, for example, France flag, and press enter. You can do this for any country you want to include. Next, click the Images tab at the top of the page. Instantly, you'll see a gallery of flag pictures to choose from. Look for a clear, flat, and bright flag image. Avoid ones that are waving, wrinkled, or have shadows. These work best for digital projects. Click on the image you like to see it larger. This helps you check the quality and make sure it's not blurry or pixelated. Right-click the image and select Save Image As from the menu that pops up. Save it to your computer. It's a good idea to create a special folder, maybe call it Country Balls Project, so all your flags stay organized in one place. Give each file a simple, clear name, like France_flag.png. This makes it easy to find the right flag later. Repeat this process for every country you want to include in your story. The more flags you collect, the more characters you can create. For example, you might search and save Japan flag and Germany flag. Try to get a variety of countries for a colorful cast. Gather all your flag images before you start working in Google Slides. Having everything ready will save you time and effort later. Staying organized is key. When your files are neat, your creative process will be much smoother. Think of it like preparing props for a movie. Each flag is a character waiting to come to life. Once you have your collection of flags, you're ready for the next step in your CountryBalls adventure. Now let's move on to bringing your flags into Google Slides, where you'll start building your story. This is where the magic really begins. Your ideas will start to take shape. Get your images ready and your creativity flowing. We're about to start creating something amazing together. Time to open Google Slides, our creative workshop. Go to Google Slides and start a new blank presentation. Delete any title or subtitle boxes for a clean canvas. Click Insert in the menu, then Image, then Upload from Computer. Find and select your saved flag image, like France_flag.png. The flag appears on your slide, probably as a rectangle. You can move it around by clicking and dragging. To add more flags, repeat the insert process. Arrange your flags so they're not overlapping. Now you have your characters ready for transformation. Getting your images into slides is a huge step. You're setting the stage for your CountryBall story. Next, we'll turn these rectangles into round, bouncy country balls. Ready to make some magic? Let's go to the next step. Your digital stage is set. Flags are in, but they're still rectangles. Let's make them balls. Click a flag image to select it. Find the crop image tool in the toolbar. Click the little arrow next to it. Choose the circle oval shape from the drop-down. Your flag is now a circle. If it looks stretched, click the crop tool again. Hold Shift and drag a corner handle to keep it perfectly round. Adjust until the flag is centered in the circle. Click outside the image to finish cropping. Repeat for each flag. In minutes, you'll have a group of round country balls. This is one of the most satisfying steps. Your characters are taking shape. Let's keep going. Now you have round country balls. Let's set the scene. Click a country ball to select it. To resize, hold Shift and drag a corner handle. This keeps it perfectly round. Make some bigger, some smaller as your story needs. Move them around the slide to arrange your scene. Place them close together for friends, far apart for rivals. Add a simple background. Use the Shapes tool to draw rectangles for sky and grass. Right-click the background shape, choose Send to Back. Now your country balls are in a world, not just a white void. Arranging your characters is key to storytelling. Think about their positions and what it says about your story. Ready for the next step? Let's add some personality. Time to give your country balls some personality. Let's add eyes. Use the Shapes tool, select the oval, and draw a small circle for an eye. Fill it with white, set the border to black, and make the border thicker if you like. Copy and paste to make a second eye. Drag both eyes onto a country ball and position them. Eye placement changes the character's expression. Experiment. Copy both eyes and paste them onto other country balls. Now all your characters can see and show emotion. Eyes are simple, but they bring your country balls to life. Play around with size and placement for different moods. You're almost ready for action. Let's add even more character next. Get creative. On to the next step. Want to add more personality to your country balls? Let's take your characters to the next level by giving them unique expressions and fun accessories. Let's try adding mouths and accessories to make each country ball stand out. For a mouth, use the line tool. Choose curve or scribble to draw a smile, a frown, or even a surprised O shape. Play around with different lines to show emotion. Or use the arc shape for a smooth, clean mouth. This tool is great for making happy or sad faces with just a simple curve. Make the line black and thicker for visibility. Adjust the thickness until it pops against your character's face, so the expression is easy to see. For hats or props, combine simple shapes. Rectangles for a top hat, circles for a monocle, or triangles for a party hat. You can even add tiny details like a bow or a feather. Keep it simple, that's the CountryBalls style. Too many details can make your character look cluttered, so stick to bold, basic shapes. You can also find simple, free clip art online. Just make sure it's transparent and not too detailed. Look for images that match the playful, minimal look of CountryBalls. Drag your accessories onto your CountryBalls and position them however you like. Try tilting a hat or moving a monocle for extra personality. Don't overdo it. Simplicity is key. A few well-placed features are all you need to make your characters pop. Accessories add fun, but the real charm is in the basics. Sometimes, less really is more. Try building them yourself for practice. The more you experiment, the better you'll get at creating unique looks. Now your CountryBalls are full of character and ready to show off their new style. Ready to make them move and talk? Let's animate your story and bring your CountryBalls to life. Next up, turning your slides into a movie, so you can share your animated CountryBalls adventure with everyone. Your CountryBalls are ready, let's make them act. Each slide is a scene. To animate, duplicate your slide and make small changes. Right-click the slide thumbnail and choose Duplicate Slide. Move a CountryBall or add a speech bubble on the new slide. Use the Shape tool, Callouts category for speech bubbles. Add text by double-clicking inside the bubble. Keep duplicating slides, making small changes each time. This creates a simple animation, like a flipbook. When you're done, click Slideshow to play your story. Click through quickly to see your animation in action. You can record your screen to make a video to share online. You've made your first CountryBalls movie. Experiment with more slides and stories. The possibilities are endless. Ready for your next project? You've learned all the basics. Now it's your turn. Find flags, turn them into balls, add eyes and props, and tell a story. Start simple. Maybe your country meets another or they argue about food. The funniest stories are often the simplest. Don't worry about perfection, just have fun. Share your work with friends, family, or online communities. Feedback helps you improve and get new ideas. Be brave. Your unique style is what makes your CountryBalls special. Open Google Slides and start your next project. Remember, simple tools, endless possibilities. Get creative, make people laugh, and enjoy the process. I can't wait to see what you create. Go make something awesome.